What if your AI agent could talk to you directly inside the Slack? OpenClaw can do that, and setting it up takes just a few minutes. Look at this. I typed hi in the Slack channel and OpenClaw replied, "Hey Lakshmi, how can I help you?" Right there inside the Slack in real time. In this video, I'll show you how to connect OpenClaw with Slack. We will configure OpenClaw, create the Slack app, set up the tokens. If you don't have OpenClaw yet, check the playlist in the description. Alright, let's get started with this. Alright everyone, let's go ahead and get started with the OpenClaw setup for Slack channel. You need to write here OpenClaw configure. Thereafter, it is going to give you two options. Either you want to do the local setting or remote setting. Obviously, we want here a local setting. Thereafter, scroll it here, basically select these channels. Thereafter, select add or update channels. Then it is going to give you here option. You need to select the Slack here. Thereafter, it is going to give you a complete JSON list here. All right. So this is a complete JSON list which we need to add to our OpenClaw application. Let's go ahead and copy this. I have copied it. Thereafter, you need to come here at this address api.slack.com apps. Thereafter, you need to create here application. You need to select here from manifest. Thereafter, you need to select workspace. Thereafter, click on next. Then I'm going to just delete this JSON. I'm going to paste my JSON, which I had got from the OpenClaw configuration. Thereafter, I click next. Thereafter, you need to set here OAuth as well. That we will do. Let's go ahead and create it. Perfect. Now it is created. Configure your app in the code. Got it. And yes, I got it. Now you have here basic information, and also you have here OAuth permissions as well. Let's come back here in OAuth permission. Thereafter, in OAuth permission, you are going to have here OAuth tokens. Let's go ahead and install this application in mBreath. All right, so that is the workspace which I had selected previously. Let's go ahead and allow this. So it is allowed here. And finally, we have got here. Thereafter, you are going to get here a token. Let's go ahead and copy this token from here. Then you need to again come back in your Open configuration setup. We have got here Slackbot token. Let's go ahead and enter it. So this is our Slackbot token. Let's go ahead and run it. Thereafter, we also need to provide here Slack app token as well. To provide Slack app token, you need to come here inside the basic information. Then inside basic information, you need to scroll it down here. You are going to get here app level token. Let's go ahead and generate app level token. Let's give some name here. I'm going to give here OpenClaw. Thereafter, you need to just simply add a scope here. So I'm going to add here a scope that is going to be the connection right. Then I'm going to just generate this token. Then I just simply copy it from here. Then just make sure you copy it again. I mean, just to make sure you have copied it correctly. Then I'm going to enter here Slack app token. All right, it is going to start here XAPP. Let's enter this. This is the Slack app token. Let's run this. Let's go ahead and configure Slack channel access as well. I'm going to select here allow list. And thereafter, I'm going to make sure I provide my Slack channel, which I want to allow for my bot. I come here again. Thereafter, inside my workspace, I have created here channel OpenClaw. And in this channel, I want to allow my bot. So currently this channel is empty. I'm the only person who has joined this. So what I do, I again come back here. Thereafter, I need to write my channel name here. So channel name is OpenClaw. Make sure you write it with the hash. And also if you are working with the multiple channels, you can add those channels as well here. You can add those with the comma as well. Let's go ahead and hit the enter. Now it is going to configure your Slack with the OpenClaw. All right, everything is done. Let's go ahead and enable Slack interactive replies for agent responses. I'm going to say yes. Finally, everything is done. Thereafter, I'm going to just finish this. All right, let's go ahead and configure the DM access policies as well. I'm going to select here pairing mode as of now. Let's run this. Everything is done. Thereafter, I'm just going to select here done. And thereafter, you just need to restart your OpenClaw. So you need to write here OpenClaw gateway restart. OpenClaw gateway restart. It might take a little bit time to restart. In meantime, you can also have a look to your OpenClaw gateway as well. While it is restarting, you might be seeing a screen something like this on your OpenClaw gateway. But don't worry about that. Once restart has happened, thereafter it will automatically refresh, and finally you are going to get the output something like this. In meantime, one thing also I want to tell you, while you are installing the Slack, if it says this particular plugin is disabled, then you can just simply come here at the OpenClaw dashboard, then just write this particular command there so that it can enable the OpenClaw automatically for you. I mean, it can enable the Slack plugin automatically in OpenClaw for you. All right, everything is done. Let's go ahead and check it with the OpenClaw channel inside the Embrace Slack. So here what I do here, I just simply write like this. OpenClaw app, as you see there, OpenClaw app is there. I just say there, hi. So one thing you will notice here, you mentioned this OpenClaw, but they are not in this channel. Basically, I'm the only person currently. Let's go ahead and add this. So I'm going to add it here. Thereafter, I'm going to again call my application and then say hi. Now you can see here, it has responded me. Basically, it has reacted here with the I. Now it is actually responding. It is going to respond to me actually. So another emoji is there as well. And now OpenClaw application has replied us, hey Lakshmi, how can I help you? Excellent. Now you know how to configure your Slack with the OpenClaw. If you are looking for other tutorials like how to configure Discord server with the OpenClaw, how to configure WhatsApp with the OpenClaw, or how to configure the Telegram with the OpenClaw, I have a complete playlist which you can refer. Let me just quickly show you here. Link for this playlist is already given in the video description. You can get started from there itself. There are so many videos which I have covered in this particular playlist. Please don't forget to watch these videos as well.